delivered by myself, Idris Omotayo Fatai. Today, Wednesday, 12th of August, 2020, in celebration of 2020 International Youth Day, held here in the local government. Protocols. I recognize the presence of the best chairman in absentia in the Nigeria, Honorable Wasiu Adesina, the Vice Chairman in absentia, Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba in absentia, Iyaloja, the representative from Iyaloja General, Elijah Taufikat Alinsin, our CDC Chairman, Ikuru Division, Alhaji Shonibare, my powerful HOD, Alhaja Shita, my Oga Seleki, Comrade Akadiri, is my leader. I welcome you all, and every other stakeholders that are here, the youth that are here, I welcome everybody. All praise belongs to Almighty God, the uncreated Creator, who creates all things, seen and unseen, for His mercy upon us till today, and for sparing our lives to witness this august occasion. It is my honor to welcome you all to this program in celebration of year 2020 International Youth Day. Having this program today is not by our might, but by the will of the Almighty Allah, with the spirit of developing our community and youth in particular, and also the selfless service rendered by the executive cabinet members. To all invited youth organizations, our stakeholders, and the staff of our local government, the time is now. It is time for us to walk the talk and execute all our activities towards developing ourselves as progressive youth in Ikorodu local government. There is no gainsaying that youth across Ikorodu are the best. This is evidence in the quality, potentials, and the good conduct embedded in our Oga Elogi. However, we cannot afford to joke with this than to guide it jealously. This is the time for us to work together towards achieving a common goal for the development of our communities in Ikorodu. We need to be united towards achieving collectivism in this present administration of Youth Council in Ikorodu. We need to learn how to accommodate ourselves despite the inherent difference in us. We need to continue appreciating ourselves and encouraging each other to do better in the cause of making our society better than the way we met it. It is pertinent to note that today's program will witness the inauguration of our different directorates towards implementing all our proposed programs and projects. On this note, I would like to firstly congratulate all the members of each directorate and urge them to work anxiously towards projecting the good image of the youth in Ikorodu. This is a clarion call, and I want all of us to see this opportunity as a great privilege to write our names on the sand of time. This humanitarian service is a selfless service, but I would like to remind us that history will never forget all our actions and the reactions, while posterity will forever be there to judge us. To our invited guests and the lecturers of today's program, we sincerely appreciate your effort, sacrifices for honoring our invitation. I have no doubt that everyone present here today will surely learn, relearn and unlearn. This speech will remain incomplete if I fail to applaud the sincere good works of our Executive Chairman of Ikorodu Government, Honorable Wasiu Adesina. We are proud of you and we are happy to be identified with you. There are many individuals who laid good foundations for the futures of youth activism in Ikorodu, who are models and inspirational to our generations. Among whose are Honorable Babajimi Benson, the Member House of Rep, Honorable Estobi Agumbiade, Majority Leader, Lagos State House of Assembly, Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba, the Vice Chairman, Mayor Dean Sohuola, Comrade Akadri Adeleke Seleke, that's my boss, Comrade Odumbo Taiwo, HOD Agric Alaja Shita Kadijat, among others. We say a very big thank you for all your support, contributions, and encouragement given to us since the beginning of this administration. In conclusion, to my executive cabinet, I want us to note that all our effort is not a waste, because the soil we are serving will surely pay us one day. So never let the selfless service spirit in us die. The ability to do your best and utilize all our opportunities without compromising will surely make our name to be written in gold. So to you all, no retreat, no surrender. Thank you for listening. Build the youth.
Build the nation.
Build the youth.
Build the nation.
Long live Nigeria. Long live Lagos State. Long live Ikorodu. Long live Ikorodu local government. NYCN. Thank you.
We publish new videos every day, so be sure to subscribe for more great content.
Charlie and TV.